Hello everyone, we're looking at question number 5 of Winter 22 paper 1 to 5054. The question reads, a ball starts from rest and rolls down a steep slope. The ball then rolls along rough horizontal ground. Which graph shows the speed of the ball at different times? The easiest way to solve this question is if you look at the graph step by step. Initially, starting from rest, that means its speed has to be 0. Now, we can see that speed is starting from 0 when time is 0. But here, when time is 0, the speed is not 0. So we can cut B out. And here is starting from 0 and here is starting from 0. This way we were able to cut B out. We're left with A, C or D. Moving on towards the second part of the question that says, and rolls down a steep slope. If you have this steep slope and you have a ball at rest, and once you release it, the ball is going to just go straight down. So its speed is obviously going to increase. So we can say that the speed is increasing here, the speed is increasing here, and speed is increasing here as well. The ball then rolls along a rough horizontal ground. Now, let's assume that you are driving your car on a smooth road at a speed of like 80, and then you encounter a bumpy road. So you have to think that your speed was initially 80, so will it go directly to 0? Will you halt all of a sudden, or will your speed gradually decrease from 80 to 70 to 60 and then gradually start decreasing? That is a more likely case. Let's look at A. A says that it becomes constant, which is not possible because the speed is either going to be decreasing or the speed is either going to be increasing, and since it's a horizontal ground and it's a rough ground, so it's going to encounter more friction, so it has to decrease for sure. So this is out as well because it cannot remain constant. Since it is a rough, so there is going to be friction and the speed has to gradually decrease. Let's look at C. C says, let's say the speed here was 80, and then all of a sudden the speed went straight to 0, which is not possible because it's quite impossible for your speed to go from 80 to all of a sudden to a halt, because it's still going along a rough horizontal ground until you yourself stop the ball, which is not the case here. It's moving forward, it's going and going. The speed is going to decrease gradually, which we can see in D option. Here it was 80, then 70, then 60, then 50, and you can see here. So your final answer is D. And this is it for question number 5.